We will take the examples of the graphs first. Let's take y is equal to sin x. Check the graph of y is equal to sin x. It will be like this. It will be 0, pi by 2, sin x is 1. At pi it is 0, 3 pi by 2 it is minus 1. So check the graph of y is equal to sin x. It will be appeared like this. So this is the graph which is going continuously, going continuously up and down. There is a pattern, but it is going continuously, it is not breaking at a point. So this is going continuously, so this will be your example of continuous. Okay, so this will be, this y is equal to sin x will be called as the continuous function. So now let us take the example of y is equal to 1 by x. The graph will be shown like this. You have learned that in 11th standard, but if you want to check, you can check on the apps which are available on the Google Play Store. So you can check that. So the graph of y is equal to 1 by x will be appeared like this. There is no collaboration between these two parts, so they are not occurring like this. There is a repetition here. The repetition is not allowed. So it will be an example of discontinuous function. Okay, so now let us consider the condition for which the function will be continuous. The condition for which the function will be continuous at that point is limit x is tending to a minus. जो आपका लेफ्ट वाला होगा, इसका जब ये वैल्यू आप फंक्शन में भरोगे, इसका आंसर लिमिट x इज टेंडिंग टू a प्लस ऑफ f ऑफ x, मतलब राइट हैंड वाले x से मैच करना चाहिए. और वही वैल्यू अगर आप वो पॉइंट डालते हो जिसके आप लेफ्ट और राइट के बारे में बोल रहे हो, तो वो भी वैल्यू सेम आना चाहिए, तभी आपका पॉइंट कंटिन्यूअस कहलाएगा. ओके, नाउ इन सिंपल वर्ड्स व्हाट यू कैन से इज LHL is equal to RHL is equal to the value of a function at point A, where A is your particular point according to which you are considering your left hand side and right hand side. That has to be equal with this LHL and RHL. So it will be known as your continuity of a point. The function will be continuous at that point. Okay. So guys, let's take a small example here. F of x is equal to sin 6x by 3x. X is not equal to 0 and continuous at x is equal to 0. So look at this condition. Now your a will be your 0. Okay, and they have given us that the function is continuous. So this condition will be satisfied by that function. Okay, now they are asking us for the value of f of 0. Now this condition is satisfied by them as they have written the function is continuous. So use either one of them. Okay, so what will be your 0 plus and 0 minus? There will not be any difference between that. So let us consider x is tending to 0, and if you look at this carefully, we have learned the standard results in earlier. So it is bit like that. Okay, we have learned that sin x by x is equal to 1. Limit x is tending to 0. This is your standard results which we have learnt earlier. So what we have to do is we have to just use this limit x is tending to 0. X is tending to 0. So according to the standard results, आप क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे sin x, ये x जो है ना, यहाँ पे इसको यहाँ भेज दीजिए. So what will be your sin x now? It will be x. So same in this case. So now limit x is tending to 0. What is our function? Sin 6x by 3x. So what you have seen here, sin x is equal to x. जब यहाँ पे x था तो यहाँ पे x आया, तो यहाँ पे 6x है, तो क्या आना चाहिए? अगर यहाँ पे sin 6x है तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? डायरेक्टली 6x लिखेंगे. अगर sin 7x होगा तो आप डायरेक्टली 7x लिखेंगे. तो यहाँ पे sin 6x है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? 6x डिवाइड बाय 3x. So x cancel हो गया, 3 2 are 6. So f of 0, your answer will be 2. So guys, have you seen how fastly I solved this example? If you want to solve examples like this of physics, chemistry, maths, and you have to manage the time, just stay connected with us. Hope you have understand the continuity and this example. So that's it for the video.